Arkansas follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula for wage garnishment, applying the standard federal limits without imposing a more restrictive state cap. Here is what creditors need to know about wage garnishment in Arkansas. The Arkansas garnishment limit, the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings per pay period, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage. Arkansas does not cap garnishment below the federal maximum. Disposable earnings, gross wages minus legally required deductions, federal and state income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and state unemployment insurance. Health insurance, 401k contributions, and other voluntary deductions are not subtracted. Arkansas garnishment procedure: after obtaining a judgment, the creditor files for a writ of garnishment with the court. The writ is served on the employer, the garnishee. The employer must answer, calculate the exempt amount, withhold the non-exempt portion, and remit it to the court or creditor as directed. Answers are typically required within 20 days of service. Arkansas head of household. Arkansas does not have a specific head of household wage exemption beyond the standard federal formula. However, Arkansas courts have some discretion in enforcement proceedings and may consider financial hardship in appropriate circumstances. Exempt income categories: Social Security benefits, unemployment compensation, workers' compensation, and disability income are generally not subject to garnishment in Arkansas. Veterans' benefits and retirement benefits from qualified plans are typically exempt. Continuing garnishment. An Arkansas wage garnishment writ may function as a continuing writ, requiring the employer to withhold from each successive paycheck until the judgment is paid or the writ expires. The continuing nature of the writ makes it efficient for creditors who don't want to reserve for each pay period. People Locator Skip Tracing locates current Arkansas employers for wage garnishment proceedings. Results typically delivered within 24 hours. Visit peoplelocatorsskiptracing.com to place your order.